Hi guys, myself Partha Biswas. Um, I have completed my graduation in Electronics and Communication Engineering department from Ramakrishna Mahatma Government Engineering College, and then I got an opportunity to do an 4-month internship in Cognition Technology Solutions. There I have learned about .NET domain. So I've learned some of the tools and technologies like ASP.NET MVC5, uh, Microsoft SQL Server, Entity Framework, and some basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, JavaScript. I have also learned C Sharp as the main programming language in the .NET domain. So I have tried to make a project. This is my personal project. I've tried to make a project. This video is all about the project. I am showing the UI part. I am not showing the backend code part in this video because then the video will be very much long. So I will show only the UI part in this video. So as you can see, this is a job hunt portal, you can say. So one can come to my portal and search for a job, or uh, even a company can come and post a job. Basically there are three roles. First one is admin, who is controlling the whole platform. The second one is job provider, that is a company who is posting a job, and the third one is job seeker. So those who are coming to our portal to apply for a job. So this is the home page. You can see this is the home page. um, this is the whole home page part. You can see at the navigation bar, top navigation bar, there are some options like home. So this is the home page. Find a job, about page, this is the about page, and this is the contact page. So this is the find a job. If I click on find a job, then it will automatically redirect me to the login page. That means I have to log in to for searching a job. uh, you can see there are two buttons in the top right corner in the navigation bar, that is register button and login button. We can say it is the header section. So if I click on the register button, it will redirect me to the registration page. You can see there are some fields in the registration page. That is the one have to enter his name, his password, contact number, email address. So this is not only a front end project. There is also a back end part. I am using ASP.NET MVC5 as a technology entity framework, and to manage the database I am using Microsoft SQL Server. There are some tables like the user table, company table, user type table. User table, if a job seeker, you can see that there are four fields here: name, password, contact number, email address. So if a user come and fill this all these fields and register, then the data will be saved in the user table. You can see there is a checkbox: are you a job provider? So this one is for the companies who are coming to our portal to posting a job. So if I can click on this checkbox, you can see there are some hidden fields that are now you can see now all the hidden parts. That is the company title, that is the company name, company phone number, company email address, and company description. So for normal for normal job seekers, they just have to enter these four fields, and they have to register. Then their data will be saved in the user table. And if uh, a company is here, or if a company comes to for posting a job, and the company wants to register, then that company has to click on this checkbox and fill these all these fields: company name, company phone number, company email address, and then this data will go to the and this data will be stored in the company table. So basically there are two tables: user table and company table. Company table is related or connected with user table using a foreign key, that is the user ID. So that's all. If if a normal user comes, he or she have to register here by filling all these fields, and if a company wants to register, then the company have to fill this or extra fields. Now I will go to the login part. So this is the normal login page. I will enter my name. I have already registered some of the users. So currently I am logging in as a job seeker. So for demonstration, I will elaborate the whole project with the help of three profiles. First one is Partha Biswas, that is me, who is a normal job seeker; Ritam Pal, who is a job provider, and admin. So now first I am logging in as an admin. So you can say this is the admin, and this is the password for the admin. Okay, so one more thing: you cannot you cannot log in without filling these fields. For example, if you go to the register page and you try to register without filling all these fields, then the system will not allow you. You can see that. Uh, Same for the login page. If you come to the login page and you try to log in without filling these fields, then the system will not allow you. You have to put proper data into this field. If someone enters a wrong password or a wrong username, you can see the system will reject it. So the admin is registered. You can see that previously you can see that here is the name. Here the name is visible. Hi admin. So here are some options. Here are some options that are available in the top navigation bar. You can see this is the configure. In configure, you can see there are some job categories. We will use these job categories in different sections. You can I will elaborate it. So these are some job categories like developer jobs, account jobs, web development, quality analyst, and marketing. You can edit these things, you can delete these things. These are all available. You can create a new thing, you can create a new job category. Job nature: this is job nature like part time, full time, remote, contractual. Same for this also. You can edit these fields, you can create a new job nature, you can delete all these fields. There are some countries already registered here. Uh, Only one company is registered till now. This is the Infotech, and you can see the username is Ritom Pal for that company. This is the company. Ritom Pal is like an agent of that company who is posting the jobs and maintaining the job profiles for the company. And these are all the users. You can see. Look, Partha Biswas, his user type is job seeker, Ritampal is job provider, admin is admin, and here are some another job seekers. Okay, so this is all post. All the jobs that are posted by different companies will come to admin first, if admin approve these jobs, then only it will be visible in this find a job section. Suppose the company post a job, the job initially the job will be uh, uh, initially the job will not be approved, so the job will be under consideration, or you can say under review. So first the admin will check either the job is a valid job or not. So he can check the validity of the job using this view button. In this view button, he can see that all these job description, work experience, skills, language, education, uh, that things are visible or not. So basically, here the admin uh, examines that either the job is a proper job, or you can say a genuine job, or it is just a fake thing. Uh, so after checking it, the admin will approve it or cancel it or delete it. So if admin approve the job, then only it will be visible in find a job portion, and job seekers can see the job. Otherwise, job seekers cannot see the job. I'll elaborate it. So first, log out from this page and again log in as the company. So as I have said that Ritompal is like Ritompal represents the company. So I am logging in as Ritompal. So you can see that now the name is here, Hi Ritompal. Now you can see there are some options here for so the options that are present in the header part or in the navigation bar, that are different for admin, that are different for job seeker, that are different for job uh, provider. So suppose the company now wants to post a job, so he or she will click on post a job. Now I have to enter some job title, suppose Java FSE. Location is in Bangalore. Minimum job salary 35,000. Maximum job salary is 50,000. Vacancy is 10. So this application date is automatically filled. Now I have shown you the job category and the job nature in the admin part. So we will use those categories and those nature in these fields like this, whether this is a developer job or not. So this is a developer job and the job nature is full-time, and job description, we are looking for enthusiastic employees in Java domain. Freshers can also apply Java. Now I'll click on the post job. So my job is posted. Look, these are all the jobs that are posted by this company. So Java FSE, that is posted, but that is under review. So this will now if you go to this find a job section and you try to find that Java FSE job, you cannot see it here because that is under review. First admin have to approve those jobs, and then only it will be visible in this section. So now we need to provide some of information about those jobs. If we will not provide necessary information in this job profile, then the admin will think that it is a fake or it is not a genuine job profile, and then he will not approve it. So first we need to, you can see that there are not any information is showing here. So it is like an empty job notification. You can only see those things: Infotech company Bangalore, the venue or the location, and our expected INR, our expected salary. This is yearly salary. This is all the information here. All the information is available here. But first we need to provide much more information about those job profile, otherwise the admin will not approve this job. So we need to go here, job list. So first we will have to provide some extra details about those jobs, other to uh, so that the admin can can come to a decision that the job is what can I say, the job is genuine. So work experience, we can say that minimum 2 years of experience is required. Freshers, okay, 2 year, okay. Suppose 2 years of experience is required, is preferable, is preferable. Freshers can also apply. Now if I save, this is saved in this section. Okay, all these things actually are saving in different tables in the database. As I have already mentioned that I am not showing those backend parts like those database parts or other things. I am just showing the UI portion here. Okay, so skills, which skills are required. So in Java, suppose we say here in case of C#, you can say this, we need Java in case of C#. ASP.NET MVC, Entity Framework, Mssql. Okay, basic of HTML, CSS and JavaScript will. Okay, Mssql, save. Now education, you can say that graduation is required, minimum graduation. Okay, specific knowledge, we can say specific knowledge. Okay, JavaScript, Angular. Language, Bengali, English, Hindi. So you can see that we have already updated all the necessary fields that are required for this job. Now if we back to the list and again go to this view part, then we can say that the job profile is updated. We have told that the job profile is updated, all the required fields are shown here. So when the admin will check it, admin will see that the job is that all the necessary fields are already provided, so the job is genuine, so we can post the job. Now if again I log out and again I log in as admin, and I go to all posts, you can see that Java FSA, this is the first this is we have just posted this job. Okay, so now admin will go to the view section and he will examine whether all the necessary field or required fields are provided or not. If the admin finds that the job is genuine, then he will approve it, otherwise he will cancel it. Now if we okay, so till now the admin have not approved this job. You can see the job status is under review. If we can go to this find a job section, we cannot see that job profile here. Now when the admin approves the job, you can see the job is approved. If we go to this find a job section. We'll find the job in this find job section. Okay, so these are all the things about admin. Now I will log in as a normal job seeker. So Partha Biswas, as you can say, as you know, that I am a job seeker. If I provide a wrong information about my login criteria, I can see that username and password is incorrect. So I have to put correct password and username. Okay, so hi Partha Biswas. I'm in. Now I will go to find a job section. Okay, so this is my profile section. You can see my dashboard here. This is my dashboard. You can see this thing because I have already provided my informations. If someone if a job seeker come to or register to this to our portal for the first time, and he tried to go to my profile section, then it will automatically redirect to the home section, and it will show that you have to provide your personal details first, otherwise we can't show your dashboard. So that is Java FSE. We will go to this portion. You can see now we will go to apply job. Now this is like a application form. You can see that these are the fields we cannot these are disabled. We cannot edit these things. Okay, from this is like a application form. We are filling this application form. So you have to put your necessary details. These are like voter card, Aadhaar card details. So I have just used some CNIC, FNIC thing. You can also use this Aadhaar card, PAN card, enter the Aadhaar card details, PAN card details. India. I'll put my email ID. Select my gender. Okay, so in this photo section, I have not implemented the image part. So in ASP.NET MVC, you can do normal CRUD operations. You can do image CRUD operations. I have not implemented yet that image part, so I am just putting a normal text thing in this section. Company job board, business permanent address, and my description. I have 2 years of experience in Java domain. Now if we click on the registered part, it will give us a suite alert. This is JavaScript suite alert success. Now I'll go to the next. I have to provide my institute name. You can see all these fields I have already applied for some of the jobs. That is why all these things are already here. Again, if I go to the save portion, it is already questionnaire details is saved successfully. Okay, suppose from this section, by mistake, you click on this find a job, or you click on home page. Now you again you want to fill that application form for that job, so you can go to that portion Java FSE. You can click on apply button. Now if you go to the apply button, you can see that all these fields are automatically here, as you have already provided those fields and they are already saved in the database. So once you provide all these things, and again you want to and then you again you come to that page for the second time, it will automatically retrieve those data from the database for you. So you have not filled those fields again. Even if you try to register it, it will show that your data is already registered. Same for this page also, you can see that all these fields are already retrieved from the database. Now I'll go to the next page, previous company name. Okay, so let me put Tata Consultancy, though I have not worked for this company. So title of, oh, so it should be title of my previous designation, so I have to change this portion. Okay, so suppose I work for Java developer, my designation was Java developer in my previous company. This field is basically, in this field we are applying my work experience detail, if the user or if the applicant have a previous experience in any company or not. I'll just put today, country, description, work experience details, right? So okay, successfully saved. Next. Now the candidate have to put his skills, which how many skills you have, so that when now the question is why we are providing these skills. So as the candidate will submit when the candidate will submit the form will go to the company. Now the company will verify whether the candidate is eligible or not for that job, whether the candidate fills all the requirement criteria or not. That is why it is necessary to provide your skills, whether you have those skills or not. You can see that the skill is added here. Now again, MVC, Microsoft SQL, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Angular. You can even delete one thing from. You can see that is deleted. As I have already said that all these things are saving into the database directly. Okay. Now you have provided all those skills. Now you have to click on next. So it will give like a confirmation of your final submission, your name, applied job, that is the job title, and there is the company name, and we will save. If you save this, it will say that your application is successfully submitted, and it will redirect you to the job list page. Now if you go to this my profile section and my applied job, you can see that Java FSC, you have applied for this job, Java FSC, and this is the company name. This is the job apply date and time. When you are applying this job, this date and time is nothing but when you are applying for this job. Currently your job status is pending because this job is under review. The job you have applied for the job and your application is sent to the company. Now the company will verify whether you are applicable or you are suitable for this job profile or not, and then the company will update the job status. Currently your job status is your application is under consideration. Once the company will review your profile, and if the company thinks that you are suitable for the job, then the company will update this job status, and this is the time of that job status update. Currently it is showing that the same, but when once the company will approve or company will cancel your job profile, this will be updated. Now if you go to the details section, you can show this thing. So this is like your CV. You can also use it as your CV. You can also use it as your application form. You can see that this is like your CV. Okay. So here there is a print option. If you click on the print section, You can even print this thing. So this is all about the job seeker part. Now again we will log out and we will log in as a company. Now go to this applied job thing. You can see that this Java FSC, this is the apply time, this is your job status update time. You have not, the company have not updated your profile, so currently it is the same. The two fields are showing the same thing. You can see that your application is under consideration, current job status is pending, candidate name Partha Biswas. Not only Partha Biswas, any candidate, if he or she apply a job, first it will come to this section. So it will come to this company profile. The company will check whether the candidate is eligible or not. You can see that this is also a part pending. Your application is under consideration. You can see that this Abhijit Mondal is also a candidate. Okay, so see, this is Partha Biswas. Another thing, I have applied for this job yesterday. So here you can see the apply date is stage 5, and the company has reviewed my profile, and the company find that I am not suitable for this job, so I am cancelled. So the company cancelled my profile. So it is showing the current job status is cancelled, and why the reason job status, why the reason of my cancellation, that is, sorry, you have not matched the eligibility criteria, better luck next time. I have also applied for another job, Python developer intern. You can see that this is the time when I have applied for the job. This is the time when the company have reviewed my profile and updated the job status. You can see these two are different now. Okay, so okay, I am shortlisted, and this is the this is the reason, or the you can say this is the job status update. Like, congratulations, you are selected for the job. So we'll go to our this profile Java FSC. Now if we can click on this approved portion, approved part, you can see this kind job status is changed. It is showing that shortlisted. The job status reason is changed. Congratulations, you are selected for this job. And if you see it, if you can see this time, the date is same because I have applied for the job today and I am approving it also today. But if you notice the time, you can see that time is different. Okay. And now let me okay, so how can the company will check my profile? So the company will check my profile from this detail part. You can see this thing again, as I have showed in the candidate job seeker part. This is the same thing. From here the company will check whether I am eligible for my job or not. This is my personal details, this is my educational details, my work experience details, all my skills. After verifying this field, the company will decide whether I am eligible for this job profile or not, and depending on this, the company will approve my profile or cancel my profile or delete my profile. So this is it. Now if I again log in as a job seeker, so like Partha Biswas, and I go to my applied job, you can see, so this is my Java FSC Infotech. Okay, so the current job status is shortlisted, and reason is congratulations, you are selected for this job, and the time is also showing here. Okay, so even I can delete a job profile from here. You can say your job application is successfully deleted, so it is deleted from here. It is also if I delete this from this portion, it will also delete from the company profile also. You can see that those senior manager profile is deleted from here. So this is all about my project. It is a very small project, simple project, a basic project. I have tried to implement all my basic knowledge, basic knowledges that I have gained from my training from Cognizant. So this is all about my project. This is the UI part, as I have told you earlier that this is the UI part. Those coding parts or the backend part and the database part, I am not showing this in this video. I am showing only the UI portion. I'll try to make a different video where I will try to explain the backend coding part. Thank you.